Today I'm going to show you how to make passive income with Amazon Influencer Program, and the best way to do it is to implement the strategy that I have here. It's absolutely amazing. I'm actually going to show you a different perspective. I'm also going to show you my results and how much money I made on this Amazon Influencer Program with the use of Viral View. Now, Viral View is an amazing software, so I'm just going to get started and minimize my head and take it down here. Now, this is where Viral View is. There's a welcome 10 code below and a link to go to Viral View, so that will help me out, that will help the channel out. However, I can show you right now that this thing actually works, otherwise I would not show you at all. So first thing, you go through to the website and it's got a really good explainer video. The first thing that I saw was the case study with Viral View and without Viral View. This is exactly what I understood when I first got told from a friend to use Viral View. Now, the Amazon Influencer Program is really difficult because there's a lot of people making videos and you just don't know what video to make. This makes it so easy. It actually simplifies it and gives you a score. So it will basically have a color, which is green or yellow or red, and it will say how viral that product is and also how much money you could possibly make from that. A lot of the time we go for these small products and they're filtered out with about 100 videos. Some of the ones that I used to go for, I had no idea how many videos it would actually take to get into that carousel, and people just spam videos all day. So this filters out and shows you exactly what videos you should make to make some more money with Amazon Influencer Program. So you can see here with Viral View, 837 posts made, and without, it's got 1,869 posts. Now you can see the summary and the commissions. So 2,586, and over here 721. This is so similar to my actual experience with Amazon Influencer. I was making probably $5 to $10 a day, and I just couldn't crack it. I couldn't get further and further into it. I've had a $200 day just from selling one product because it was on Viral View, and I just basically made a video for that product, which I've got in my house, and then Bob's your uncle, it generated some income for me. So that's awesome, and you can watch this video when you go through to the page. Like I said, the link's in the description, and just click on that and you should get the free trial and then 10% off if you decide to go on and use it after that free trial period. So yeah, it is true. It's the secret of making money, and I know that there's a TikTok influencer program now as well. So let's just go down. You can see here, top earners, you know, they basically get up into the top carousel, and Viral View shows you how to get up into that top carousel. And it kind of shows you that you can do creator connections, which is a big thing that people are asking. I don't think that it's that important, to be honest, but finding the winning products, this is the main thing. And as you can see here, you can actually see that it's got this green here, and then all the other ones are yellow, and then there's a red one. So the red one, don't go for it. However, this green one, and you can see that it's a chair by the looks of it, and it will say that's how many influencer videos. It's got one influencer video. So that's how you find these products. Then the other thing is like a scorecard. So on your current products, it will show you in your own Amazon Influencer Program backend, it will show you basically what is Viral View and how long it goes for and how long people watch it for, and all of those factors put into that there. So I'll just go over to here. Yep, it's actually growing, but here's my record from the last 30 days, as you can see, and it's up and down. So you can see 8, 41, 87, but this is every single day, and this is US dollars. So I'm really impressed with this because look at that. That's a $231 day, and I literally just did one video, and that product now, I think that product in particular, so if I go over here and I can see the commission income, I just click on that just to show what's actually made the most money in the last few days. So it's this toolkit, and obviously people are like, well, no one's going to spend $6,199. I'm telling you, business that need tools or need products will spend that type of money. This one in particular was a huge kit, so it looked like they've bought this kit for a work site maybe or something like that. But that one is the biggest earner. I've only shipped one of those by the looks of it, and it's only had one sale, but it's $170. Now, Viral View helped me find that, and that's the best thing about that software is I've got other videos, and I will also put the other video in the description so you can see how to actually find the right products. But getting the software, installing it into your browser, it comes up here in your tabs, and you can basically just go through products, search for a category, and it will show you exactly what you need to have. So let's go down, and you can see here, this is a gazebo. That's the second highest payer, but that's 2 sales, and it's a commission of $126. So I've started to filter out with Viral View how many products I'm actually going to upload each day, because I'm getting higher quality videos added to the influencer program, which then goes through to the consumer, and then they actually just watch a really good video. And on the top carousel, there's like 2 or 3 videos on there. Of course, they're going to watch your video, and then you get the commission. Whereas without Viral View, you can't really do that. You're trying to you're in the rat race, and you're trying to make videos for products that might already have 20, and you don't know what the viral score is, and you don't know how much that product is actually earning. So when I come over to Amazon.com, I just type in ice machines countertop, and you can see right here that Viral View is preloaded. To get a list, you can actually just click this button and it pops out and shows you all of the products. I've started to do it this way, and it's a little bit more time consuming, but you can actually see the product, you can see the reviews, everything like that in a different type of frame, and it pushes this little, the plugin itself pushes this little scorecard for you. And what I like to do is scroll down, and when the price is quite good, I don't mind going for viral scores that are a little bit lower, but you can see here in the top carousel, it's 8 videos, so it's 3 plus 5. So the 3 is generally either a product video and then a review video. So as you know, people do reviews now, and they have videos down the bottom. So the top carousel is not too bad. So you can actually get your video in there. If you do a video, make sure it's over 30 seconds. I try to aim for around the 45-second mark, and just give as much information as you can to that video. So let's just see this one, for example. It's got a lot of reviews, which is a really, really pleasant thing to see. And it's the same. Bottom carousel, don't discount that either, because a lot of sales come from the bottom carousel, which is not at the top. It's actually during the center of the listing, and there's a few videos there, and it's like, watch the videos on this. And generally that's where the Amazon influencer videos are. So it just helps reassure the customer that, oh, okay, and they do get watched, and they do get clicked on, and you do make commissions from that also. So this is how you filter them out. If you wanted to go for something else, I'll just show you how I actually do it. So for example, let's just do something random. I'm just going to put in A, and let's go, or air conditioner, air purifier. Let's just do that. And this category is obviously huge. There's a lot of products. People don't really know what's a high quality one, and the reviews on Amazon are so important. So my tip is I go for the reviews, but you can see here, scorecard 18. No, there's too many videos for that product. Also, just look at the product price, and it's not that good either. So you just scroll down, 1, that's terrible. So what I'm assuming is this is actually quite busy. This one here looks very good actually. So that's 72 viral score. The longer that Amazon influencer goes on, the harder it will be to find greens. So we'll just scroll on to try and find a green one. I might pause the video just so I can find a green one for you in a different category. So I typed in adult electrical bikes, or electric bikes, just because it came up on the suggested items, and I scrolled down, and about the 5th result right here, you can see this one, viral score of 83, so that's really good. Why does it have a viral score of 83? As you can see, it's got 73 reviews, 4.6, so it's got really good reviews. And also you can see, I don't know why this is locked. I think I need to re-log in. It does say the revenue, so this is a factor to give this score. So generally this will say it has a revenue of about 30,000 a day, or 1,000, 2,000, 100,000. So that is a factor to boost this up. And you can see the top carousel is empty. It's only got one video. And to me, that's actually a really, really good product to do a viral view on. You can do the old YouTube trick and rip the video off YouTube and upload it here. That's another cheeky thing, and that works really good with viral view, because if it's a product that you don't actually have, then it's a good way to actually get a video into viral view, into Amazon influencers, and get that commission. So hopefully this helps you. Hopefully this is inspirational. I'm very happy with it so far. So I will do an update in the next video. Thanks.